Okay, so here we have a Cannondale from the 1980s. So this is one of the first sort of aluminium frames. Cannondale were pioneers in that technology, and this has some pretty cool parts on it. This is early, an 80s road bike after all. It has 7-speed STI shifters. I believe these are not original. It would have had down tube shifters, as indicated by where the down tube shifters would have gone. We've got Shimano 600 brakes on here, which is pretty cool. We have Shimano 600 crankset, 105 front derailleur, oddly enough, but we do have dura-ace rear derailleur and dura-ace hubs laced to Mavic rims. So, pretty nice bike. Would have been a really nice bike back in its day. This is 54cm. Unfortunately, the paintwork has seen better days. See, it's all chipped and bubbling, and yeah. Supplied by, sales and serviced by Downhill Cycle Sport Specialists. Yeah, in Cranebrook Road, Ilford, Essex, IG61HJ. Quite far away from here. But yeah, downhill. You're definitely not doing downhill on this. This is a road bike, though someone has put cyclocrossy style tyres on here. They are specialised branded tyres. They're not really good. This thing was fairly covered in spider webs, so. And there you go, Armadillo technology, of course. 700C by 32. Infinity. Yeah, you see the paint's kind of chipped there as well. Dura-ace rear derailleur. Looks cool as ever. I really did think this was one of the coolest looking rear derailleurs. 7-speed, of course, but pretty freaking cool. 600 crankset. It's light as a feather as well, folks. It really is. But I don't like this. This is a bit sketchy. So you've got your triangle, then this just little lug comes off of it. So all your weight is on this rather small bit of aluminium. It's fairly beefy, but yeah, you could. I don't think I'd want to do cyclocross on this, to be honest. Over time, it's going to. I wouldn't be surprised if it broke. Hasn't in this case. I don't know how many miles are on it. Chain is rusty on this one, but yeah. Pretty cool. I will get it. I will go and ride it around later on, and the chain will hopefully clean itself up. I'll oil it first, of course. Oh, yeah, it's pretty solid. I'm going to get some miles out of that. No worries. Thank you for watching.